Bruxism is the excessive clenching or grinding of teeth. It is an oral parafunctional habit which is not related to normal habits of the mouth like talking and eating. The main symptoms of bruxism are hypersensitive teeth and aching jaw muscles. It can also lead to flattening of the teeth surfaces. Bruxism normally occurs in two types, one that occurs at night and one that occurs during the day. Neither is more frequent than the other, but the type that occurs at night will generally produce more problems than the type that occurs in the day. If you do know that you're suffering from bruxism and have aching jaw muscles or hypersensitive teeth, then please do visit a dentist immediately. They will help you with the problem and also fabricate some sort of device like a night guard which will prevent it from happening.